1901 X-rays discovered. Imagine being able to see inside your body without making a single cut. That's what X-rays allow doctors to do. Discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, X-rays let us look at bones and even find objects inside the body like a swallowed coin. 1903, radioactivity uncovered. Marie Curie and her colleagues discovered something incredible. Certain elements, like uranium, naturally give off energy without any help. This energy, called radioactivity, is like an element superpower, changing into a different element over time. 1905, the photoelectric effect explained. Albert Einstein found out that light can act like a bunch of tiny energy packets, photons, that can knock electrons off a metal surface. It's as if light is made of tiny energy bullets, showing us that light is more than just waves. 1906, discovery of the electron. J.J. Thomson introduced us to a tiny particle called the electron, a building block of atoms that's negatively charged. Imagine it as a tiny dot that, even though it's super small, plays a big part in everything from electricity to chemistry. 1921, theory of relativity. Albert Einstein told the world that space and time are not constant but can stretch or shrink. It's like saying the universe is a stretchy fabric that heavy objects like stars and planets can bend. 1922, 1929, 1932, 1933, quantum mechanics developed. Scientists developed a new rulebook for how tiny particles like electrons behave. Unlike anything in our everyday world, these particles can do strange things, like being in two places at once, showing that the universe at a tiny scale is a weird and wonderful place. 1935, the neutron found. James Chadwick discovered the neutron, a particle in the atom's core that has no electric charge. It's like a neutral friend that helps keep the atom's positively charged protons together without being pushed away. 1944, nuclear fission discovered. Scientists learned how to split certain big atoms into smaller ones, releasing a huge amount of energy. This discovery led to nuclear power and also nuclear weapons, showing how breaking something small can have big effects. 1956, the transistor invented. The transistor, a tiny switch that controls electricity, was invented by John Bardeen, Walter Brattain, and William Shockley. This tiny device is why we have computers, smartphones, and all sorts of electronic gadgets today. 1964, the laser invented. A device that produces a very bright, focused beam of light was invented. Lasers can be used for everything from scanning barcodes at the store to performing eye surgery, showing how focused light can be incredibly useful. 1978, cosmic microwave background radiation discovered. Scientists found a faint glow coming from every direction in the universe, leftovers from the Big Bang. It's like seeing the afterglow of the universe's birth, proving it all started with a massive explosion. 1965, quantum electrodynamics, QED, formulated. QED explains how light and matter interact, like how sunlight makes plants grow or how lasers work. It tells us that the universe is full of fields and particles playing a complex game of catch with energy. 1969, quarks discovered. Quarks are tiny particles that make up protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. There are 6 types, and they stick together to form the heart of atoms, showing that even the small stuff is made of smaller stuff. 1972-1987, superconductivity discovered. Some materials can conduct electricity without any resistance when they're very cold, meaning electricity can flow forever without losing energy. It's like a super smooth slide for electrons, which could revolutionize how we use and transmit power. 1979, the electroweak interaction unified. Scientists figured out that 2 of the universe's forces, the electromagnetic force, like magnets and light, and the weak nuclear force, responsible for some types of radioactive decay, are 2 sides of the same coin, showing how everything in the universe is connected. 2009, the Charged Coupled Device, CCD, invented. The CCD is a light-sensitive chip used in cameras and telescopes to capture images. It works like an electronic eye, converting light into electronic signals that create pictures and videos. 2013, the Higgs boson discovered. Scientists finally found the Higgs boson, a particle that gives other particles mass at the Large Hadron Collider. It's like finding the missing piece that explains why things have weight and stick together. 2017, gravitational waves detected. 100 years after Einstein predicted them, scientists detected ripples in spacetime caused by colliding black holes. It's like seeing the ripples from a stone thrown into a pond, but these ripples are in the fabric of the universe itself. 2019 exoplanets discovered. We've found planets orbiting stars far beyond our solar system. Some of these exoplanets could have conditions similar to Earth, suggesting we might not be alone in the universe. 2020, black hole formation and the Milky Way's supermassive black hole observed. Scientists captured images of black holes and the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's center. It's like finally seeing the mysterious monsters of space that swallow everything, even light.